V okviru 5. letošnje turneje mednarodnih poslovno-investitorskih programov VZMD, Investu Slovenija in International Investors Network, se je predsednik VZMD, magister Kristjan Verbič, kot član izvršnega odbora Evropske federacije investitorjev in uporabnikov finančnih storitev Better Finance v Bruslu udeležil njihove mednarodne konference A Capital Markets Union for Growth, Jobs and Citizens.
Capital Markets Union is about mobilizing investment from wherever it comes. So it's not only about institutional investors, it's not only about banks, insurances, pension funds, it's also about individual investors, individual savers.
Tokratne konference, ki je obravnavala vprašanje, vsekakor aktualno tudi za razmere v Republiki Sloveniji, kako bolje privabiti prihranke na kapitalske trge in v realne naložbe, so se udeležili številni ugledni gostje, med drugim poslanci Evropskega parlamenta, predstavniki Evropske komisije in vplivnih mednarodnih združenj.
So I think there's a very serious problem about how do we rebuild trust. And here's my final point, and this won't please everybody. For those who missell products deliberately to older people, younger people, middle-aged people, or whoever, it should be jail. Jail. I am tired of listening to people's lives being ruined by deliberate mis-selling of products.
One of the most important goals really to re-establish trust, and I think in the financial crisis a lot of mis-selling took place, and I think also before that already, and I think it's one of the issues that we need to address. We have put a lot of legislation already in place. We have to revise that to see where it is hampering retail but also institutional investors to come into the market, but at the same time guarantee that there is a trust in these financial markets for the future.
Zbrane je nagovoril Evropski komisar za finančno stabilnost, finančne storitve in unijo kapitalskih trgov Jonathan Hill, s katerim je magister Verbič spregovoril tudi o mednarodni dimenziji prizadevanj VZMD za zaščito pravic in interesov razlaščenih vlagateljev v slovenske banke, o čemer je še isti dan poročala tudi Bruselska federacija.
Well, the simple idea behind the CMU generally is to link savers with growth in order to try and generate the economy. And so for that, I think Mr. Mayor is absolutely right that we need to think about ways of making it easier for individual retail investors to invest, as well as making it more attractive for institutional investors. To do that, I think retail investors need to have the confidence to know that they can invest and that there are products which they can trust. But I think if we can find ways of putting the many trillions of euros of savings that there are in Europe to better work, so that they can be invested in projects that will support businesses to grow, SMEs in particular, I think it would be good for the investors to have more opportunities for savings, and it would be good for those businesses to have more options for funding.
Sicer se je med dvodnevnim obiskom Brusla predsednik VZMD udeležil še mednarodne konference Evropske federacije borz vrednostnih papirjev ter aktivno sodeloval pri generalni skupščini Better Finance, zatem pa se je odpravil v nizozemski Eindhoven, kjer se je na povabilo predsednice Evropske mreže poslovnih angelov udeležil njihovega 3-dnevnega letnega kongresa o preko 300 poslovnežih, investitorjih in predstavnikih finančne industrije z področja zagonskega kapitala z vsega sveta. Po uspešnih predstavitvah v preteklih 2 letih v Abu Dhabiju, Astani, Almatiju, Bakuju, Beogradu, Bledu, Bratislavi, Bruslu, Buenos Airesu, Buffalu, Bukarešti, Cape Townu, Celju, Dubaju, Dunaju, Grodnem, Helsinkih, Istanbulu, Jaroslavlju, Katarju, Kijevu, Kopenhagnu, Ljubljani, Madridu, Minsku, Montevideu, Moskvi, New Deliju, New Yorku, Vagadugu, Parizu, Piranu, Praji, Reykjaviku, Teheranu, Tokiju, Torontu, Varšavi, Vitebsku, Wiesbadenu in Zagrebu, mednarodno poslovno-investitorska programa VZMD tudi v letošnjem letu nadaljujeta z zagotavljanjem učinkovite prisotnosti in predstavitev svojim partnerjem na 5 kontinentih. Vabljeni, da cenjeni interes za sodelovanje pri dogodkih in aktivnostih sporočite koordinatorju programa Investu Slovenija na telefonsko številko 031 770 771 ali elektronski naslov info@investo.si.